So, this is Mopar Dwayne. Had this baby for a year, doing my first real mod, the Strut tower. Funny thing though, instructions say these bolts should be 8mm. Meanwhile, they're 13. Isn't that special? Yes, I gotta record it. Okay. So I just take these 6 bolts out. And easy. Bing, bang, bong. Don't lose them. They didn't give me any extra. Beauty. For sure. Let you do the honors. Ooh. Ah. Yeah, so Mopar on the way. Let's hope. You know, maybe we should take that. Yeah. Uh-huh. Wow. That's it. Okay, just hold it. Let's see if those holes are lining up. Are they lining up?
I'm just running these in slowly. Just hand tight.
There. Give it. And supposed to tighten them down to 30 foot-pounds.
Give her 130 just to be safe.
Yeah. Sure. Look at that. They got holes there, but they didn't put it in, you know, a pre-drilled spot. What a bunch of nummy-nums. Gotta hone it out. There we go. All right, so here's the fun part. We gotta pop off this thing using that little tool there.
Behind underneath.
Huh?
Gonna go from behind underneath it.
Yeah, but we gotta put a bolt right on this back side of this bar.
Oh, I'm aware.
And then on the outside of the. No, we gotta put actually, we gotta put one here. No, hold on.
The washer goes in between.
Yeah, here and on each side of the bar. All right.
Ouch.
Ouchie, mama.
Ouch.
Right.
Ouch.
Come on, Betsy. Now you gotta get it off. There we go. Not too many. Haven't been posting much lately, but maybe this summer we'll do a little more. So I still got to post my the winter of how this came through the winter and everything. Yeah. Lucille had her first birthday. Gentle.
Anger. Anger. More anger.
Anger, Will Davidson. Beauty. Was that 30 foot-pounds?
All 130 of it.
Uh-huh.
I got you a torque bar if you want to torque it.
I know, I got in the, I brought it up, but it's half inch. I don't have any half-inch sockets that small. You'd have to use an adapter and it'd probably make it wrong anyway. You know what I mean, Vern? It's long. You don't want to over tighten it. It should be fine. So there she is, boys and girls. Looking good. I just have to get a new one of these intake tubes so I can mount this guy right here. Until then, I bid you adieu. Mopar Dwayne signing off. Special thanks to my daughter's boyfriend, Kyle. Without him, this video wouldn't be possible.